It's a lot easier to do it now than later. It does not feel like the right one. Oh, that's the right one going on. Alright, we got the right one there, right one there. Okay, these have to slip in there. Just open. And they slip in. And that's a three-handed job, not a one-handed job. So we'll make do with two hands. That's all we got. There. The washer has to be on the back side, which it's not doing because it's jammed in here already by the spotlight bar. Okay. Let's see what we can do about fixing that problem. There's no way that's going to come down. That is never going to happen. That one did happen. That one happened. That one. Oh, it fell down on gravity. Gravity to the rescue. There you go. There's no way you're going to pull it down. But gravity is a wonderful thing when it helps you. See, now those screws, washer, fell right down as I wiggle it. It fell in. Okay, that's where it belongs. Now I can pull this thing together. The only problem is I'd like to put the headlight in there right now and tie it in, but I can't tighten this piece here up with the headlight in there. So I think I'm about to put the headlight in there, start it, and take it back out again. Doesn't that sound like fun? That'd be this thing right here. Okay. I went and found an Allen driver that was the right size, an odd size. So luckily I found one that matches up. Makes things a lot easier. Top ones in here. Come on. Yep. Oh. Nope. Cross-threaded. I'll have to fix that one when we take it back out. A lot of work just to take it back out and do it again. That one's not happy either. No. That one's kind of pissed off at me also. Alright. Let's see what we can do about this one not working correctly. I found the right spot. Had to force it in the right spot. Squeeze it together a little bit. Oh, that one's stripped. Wonderful. Great. So we got one that's bad. That one's stripped. That one went in. This one's cross-threaded, so these two over here are bad. And that's not even close. Okay, I'll just pull this thing together. Okay. That one out already. It's not. Okay, it's tight. A lot of give. Damn, come on. Feels like it's stripping. Okay, I got tight finally. A lot of take up on that one. That one's tight already. And that one's good. Okay. Those are in there. This is loose. This will be taken out. Put Loctite on it because rust isn't enough. Put it back in. You'd think rust would be enough of an anti-movement deal, but it's not. There it is. And this is kind of crappy feeling with a shocker. These move around a little bit, but that doesn't surprise me. Didn't make it through 2 races without moving all over it. Start turning around like fucking helicopter if you're lucky. This dresser stuff is not made for staying put. See, this lens is already turning sideways. And it's 2 different lenses on top of it. Got a wiring mess under here we got to deal with. Wiring mess on the side over here we got to deal with. Okay, it doesn't hit anything. Doesn't hit anything. We're good. Clearing my bracket. I'm not sure why this was so mushy, but it is. But it did get tight. I thought this thing was loose. You know, have to deal with that too. Tail, this fender light's falling off here. That screw right there needs to have something underneath it to tighten it further down. We'll deal with that too before that falls off. It'd be fun to replace that, and it's supposed to. It's mandatory. I got to have it. It's out of class if it falls off going down the track. Okay. Next video will be a long one. I got to fix 2 screws and then figure a bunch of wiring out. That ought to be a boring video. Alright, we'll be back.